warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to my kitchen. And today I want to show you how to make Moroccan soup. This soup is harira. It's very healthy, and harira is very good in the winter time, but in Morocco they prepare this harira in Ramadan. But if you like it, you can eat for breakfast, for your lunch, and for your dinner. So if you want to learn how to make harira in my way, so continue watch. Here all the ingredients. I have a chicken stock, 1 bowl, olive oil, tomato paste or tomato sauce. This is a saffron that I soak it with hot water. Lentil, paprika. This is 1 teaspoon of paprika. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Tumeric, half a teaspoon. This is salt. Ginger stick. Cinnamon stick. Ginger fresh. Garlic. 1 large onion. Parsley. Parsley, this is cilantro,